What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge always ask you where to save each of your files before downloading the file. So I know sometimes folks want to save certain files in certain places, and I'm going to basically show you how to do that here for Microsoft Edge. So let's get right into this. So the way you want to do this is you want to open up, obviously, an Edge browser, and on the top right, it'll usually be here. There's like three dots. You want to click into those, and you want to click into settings. So you're going to see you're going to be in this section here. Then what you want to do next is you want to click into where it says downloads. And once you're here, you're going to see the section that says ask me what to do with each download, and you want to basically click this on. So this is going to always ask me if I want to save a file or open it without saving. So this is where it's basically going to do this to kick this off to be able to do it. And you can change the initial location as well of where you want to basically download it as well. Usually it almost always goes to downloads, but you can obviously change the normal location of it as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than help you guys out. Guys, if you like this video, please smash that like when it's out. Guys, are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. All that, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.